Hello and welcome to this chemistry talk. Welcome to today's lecture on aldol condensation from the subject chemistry, unit aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Aldehyde, exploring the mechanism, reaction steps and its application, etc. Before we begin, let's quickly revise a few concepts that you should already know. What is an aldehyde? Aldehyde, which having the CHO group and it is represented like C double bond OH. What is an alpha hydrogen atom? Hydrogen atom attached to the carbon next to the carbonyl group. It's called as a alpha carbon. Here, a carbon atom directly attached to the carbonyl group is called as the alpha carbon atom and which is indicated by the alpha. What is enolate ion formation? Deprotonation at alpha carbon by a base position stabilize anion. Abstraction of hydrogen atom from the alpha carbon resulting a negative charge on the carbon is called as a carbanion ion. This carbanion ion is stabilized by resonance and form the enolate ion which having carbon-carbon double bond and anion formed on the oxygen atom due to the electronegative atom. Now, what is exactly aldol condensation? When two molecules of aldehyde with alpha hydrogen react in presence of a dilute base like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, they form a beta hydroxyaldehyde, that is our aldol, which on heating gives an alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Let's see the required condition for the aldol condensation reaction. First, aldehyde must have at least one alpha hydrogen atom, and second, reaction is carried out in presence of alkali like sodium hydroxide and KOH. Let's see the general reaction. Two molecules of aldehyde react with the base like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. You will get the aldol. Aldol means a structure having aldehyde as well as the hydroxy group. After heating, a dehydration reaction takes place resulting is a alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde compound plus water molecule is eliminated. Let's see the mechanism of aldol condensation. Here, aldol condensation takes place in three steps. First one is a formation of enolate ion. When hydrogen atom is abstracted from the alpha carbon of the one molecule of aldehyde, will be the carbanion ion in the first step. The carbanion ion is now stabilized by the resonance. Here, a hydroxy group abstracts the alpha hydrogen atom from the alpha carbon and the electron is shifted towards the carbon. Then a carbon bearing a negative charge is called as an enolate ion. This enolate ion is stabilized by the resonance. Second, nucleophilic addition. The enolate ion attacks another aldehyde molecule. Here, the negative part of enolate ion attack on the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule of aldehyde, resulting a pi electron between the carbon and oxygen is shifted towards the oxygen. You will get the anion molecule. After protonation, a resulting molecule will be beta hydroxyaldehyde, that is our aldol. Here in this structure, a beta position having OH group. That's why the name of this structure will be beta hydroxyaldehyde. And the step third, dehydration on heating. Here the alpha hydrogen atom and beta hydroxy atom is removed from the adjacent carbon atom by heating. This process is called as a dehydration and resulting molecule will be alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, that is crotonaldehyde, and water molecule is eliminated. This reaction is called as a Aldol condensation. This reaction is extremely important. It's a carbon-carbon double bond formation reaction, allowing chemists to build more complex molecule. You will also see its significance in the synthesis of industrial chemicals and biological active compound. Let's see the application of aldol condensation. It is used in synthesis of pharmaceuticals, perfume industries, fragrances industries, flavors industries, etc. Let's test your understanding with few quick MCQ. First MCQ, which of the following aldehyde will not undergo aldol condensation? Option A formaldehyde, option B acetaldehyde, option C propanaldehyde, option D none of the above. The correct answer is formaldehyde. Question number 2. The intermediate form during aldol condensation is option A is carbocation, option B is enolate ion, option C is free radical, option D is carbonyl. The correct answer is enolate ion. Last question. The product of aldol condensation of acetaldehyde on heating is option A 3-hydroxybutanol, option B acetone, option C ethanol, option D crotonaldehyde. The correct answer is crotonaldehyde. Here are some assignment questions to your understanding. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, stay curious, and continue exploring the amazing world of chemistry. Thank you.